The smallest and lightest. One day, a cool man appears in a village.
Pull out a hair and blow on it. Whew! There will be a pop, and a fun roller coaster will appear.
Whoa! All the animal friends start to gather.
Okay, the first 5 animals will get to ride something. Now, don't be scared. You will hear a bang.
The man pulls out a hair and blows on it. Whew! An amusement park appears.
Wow!
Sloth pulls out a hair and blows. Whew! Then, bang! Gorilla, ostrich, and hippo all pull and blow. Whew! 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 And bang! 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 Then, cat pulls and blows. Whoo! And boom! A sky bike appears.
For this ride, I need someone tall. Is there anyone taller than Cat?
Yelled the sky bike man.
Me! Me! Okay. Let's see. Line up from tallest to shortest.
I'm telling you, I'm tall.
What are you talking about? I'm taller.
Come on. I'm taller than you. Stop joking. I'm taller.
Hey, I'm the tallest. Wow! I'm flying in the sky! Screamed Ostrich as he rode the sky bike. The animals pulled another hair and blew. Whoo! Then, bang, 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 bang! But when Cat blew, whoo! Boom! Spinning cups appear.
For this ride, I need someone heavy. Who wants to ride this?
Yelled the spinning cups man.
Me! Okay. Line up from heaviest to lightest.
I'm telling you, I'm heavy.
I'm heavier.
I'm heavier.
Of course, I'm heavier.
Hey, I'm the heaviest.
The animal friends pulled another hair and blew. Woo! Then, bang, 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 bang! But when Cat blew, whoo! Boom! A jungle boat appears.
For this ride, I need someone with long arms and legs. Line up from longest to shortest.
Yelled the jungle boat man. My arms are long.
Hey, you don't have arms.
My legs are longer than your arms.
No, my legs are longer.
Hey, my arms are the longest.
Gorilla had the longest arms and legs. So Cat couldn't ride this either.
How come I don't get to ride anything?
Cat was really sad. Cat pulled and blew another hair. Woo! Then, boom! A lightning train appears. Huh? What's this? The lightning train man picks up the sloth, and they ride off.
Slow Sloth is so slow, so he must ride this lightning train.
Then, poof! Cat starts to cry.
I always pull the best hairs, but I never get to ride anything. You I'll ride the fun things.
All the animal friends felt bad for Cat.
Oh, what should we do?
Just then, a floral cloth came flying down.
Hey, that's it.
Gorilla grabbed the cloth with his long arms. The other animal friends grabbed each corner.
Hey, let's make a trampoline.
If you want, we'll make you a trampoline. Then you can jump on it.
All the animal friends held the flower trampoline for Cat.
Yahoo! Yippee! This is so much fun!
Cat jumped, and kept jumping.